Tsvangirai Soros Mont, dumped by best friend. Botswana's President Ian Khama was for a long time the MDC-T's best friend, and at one time Morgan Tsvangirai would even flee to Khama's private residence and spend weeks inside there. But the events of the last 5 weeks, the man has turned his back on Tsvangirai, according to a ZANU PF leader. Khama is now full swing behind ZANU PF and has done several things so far, including deporting Emerson Mnangagwa's arch-enemy, Ferguson. The ruling party's UK chairman Nick Mangwana says. Mangwana, writing on Tuesday morning, scoffed at the MDC, saying, "Who are the MDC's fraternal allies in the region? Botswana's BDP is back in brotherhood with ZANU PF." President Khama attended its inauguration, sent PR Mfoko back in a combi and sent RTD Lieutenant Gen Masire to Congress with high praises for the new admin, showing a turn in relations, he wrote on his Twitter portal.